Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Today we are making pancakes with two different recipes. The first one is gluten-free, and it's not only about gluten-free, it's a superfood kind of pancake. And the second is a classical pancake that I'd like to share you the recipe. It tastes pretty good. If you like these videos and more videos to come, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you won't miss a thing. Okay, let's get started. For the ingredients, you will be needing 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, vanilla, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I use stevia. You could use coconut sugar or what kind of sugar you want, and also a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you don't have buttermilk, that's perfectly fine. You could just add 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lime juice or lemon juice to a cup of milk and stir it. Of course, to make buttermilk you would need heavy whipping cream, but we're trying to make it as healthy as we can. Okay, now for the superfood. And the superfood here is in the flour. Here I used 3 tablespoons of sorghum flour, and here 4 tablespoons of corn, and 4 tablespoons of oats, and 3 tablespoons of millets. It does not matter about how much the quantity of each flour. It's just that I use these kind of flours, and you could adjust it as to your liking. You could also use barley flour, flaxseed, whatever that is not wheat and does not have gluten. Then we'll add the dry ingredients. We'll add the baking powder, the baking soda, sugar, and salt, and give it a good mix. In another bowl, add the egg, vanilla, melted butter, and the buttermilk, and then just give it a good mix and mix them together. The consistency is a bit thick, but this is what we're looking for. In a non-stick pan, add a little oil, wipe it with a paper kitchen towel, and then dab the pancake mixture. If you want it all to be uniformed into one shape, use an ice cream scoop or a measuring cup, whatever. Just be consistent and you will have the same shape. And when the bubbles start to form, that's an indication that it's time to be flipped. Okay, let's talk about sorghum flour and all these beautiful flours that I used. Sorghum flour is high in fiber and also in iron, potassium, protein. It has one of the highest rates in proteins, and it has a low glycemic index, and it's gluten-free. It's just perfect. And even the millets, the millets is amazing. Please do your research and see how great these flours are. If you have barley flour, use that also. Flaxseed, all these, you have so much alternative other than just wheat. A lot of people thinking that if they use whole wheat, that they're doing the job. It's okay. I'm not saying that they are better than bleached flour. However, you could go that extra step and use these flours, and it will taste amazing, and it's really healthy for you. For me, if I have 2 of these pancakes, it keeps me full and energy all day long. Okay, for the classic pancake, I know I'm being a bit ironic because I'm showing you one with the bleached flour and the other one without. I'm just showing you both recipes. Everybody has their own opinion. Here I use 1 cup of white flour and the same ingredients as before: 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda, vanilla, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then, as before, mix all the dry ingredients together and the wet ingredients together and give it a mix. The pancake mixture is a bit heavy, but it's perfect. You could see here I did the same thing in a non-stick pan. I dabbed with the pancake mixture. You could see how the mixture is, how thick it is. The taste is very lovely. And then, as I said before, when it starts to bubble up, that's indication to be flipped. Here, usually when I make this, I usually make this for the kids, for my niece and nephew, and they love it when I do for them the mountain of pancakes. So I use different sides. I just dab it smaller. So, and then you just be creative and do it how you like. And then that's it. And then you just serve it with any kind of fruits you like and maple syrup. Please use maple syrup, 100% maple syrup. Don't use flavored syrup with maple because they are just high in glucose and it's not really healthy and it does not even taste good. Buy a good maple syrup, it will make the pancake delicious. And I hope you guys enjoy. Oh yeah, and one disclaimer for the gluten-free, the superfood pancake. When you actually take a bite, it will crumble. It's not as uniform as the normal pancake because it is gluten-free and there's nothing to glue it together. But it tastes amazing. Hope you guys like this video and as always enjoy وبالعافية عليكم. أنا هنا حبيت أوريكم أنواع للبانكيك. طبعا البانكيك الكلاسيكي بتصلحيه بالدقيق الأبيض العادي، ولا البانكيك الصحي اللي لما تاكليها تحسي بالطاقة، يعطيه لجسمك كل الفوائد وفوق هذا كله من غير زيادة الوزن. جدا رائع. هذا أنواع الدقيق اللي موجود عندنا بالذات نحن العرب نستخدمه دائما، دقيق الشعير، دقيق الدخن، دقيق الذرة معانا، وليش ما نكون نستخدمها في الكيكات ولا في البانكيكس وحيطلع طعمه روعة. جربوا هذا الوصفة وإن شاء الله تعجبكم وأشوفكم في الحلقات القادمة إن شاء الله. مع السلامة. If you're looking for food that is low in carb, high in fiber and also high in protein and low in glycemic index, this is for you.